Hi, in front of me is Motorola RAZR 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Tap on Get Started, click OK, and click on the switcher next to LED keyboard. Tap OK, and OK again, then choose Input Options, and choose LED keyboard again. Now pick the one that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to tap on it, and click Download Theme. Now wait. Close an ad, and now as you can see, my keyboard was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!